Yo, what is up and welcome back for another CLM on Cross video. So for today's content is ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano ba bumili ng Shields Crystals using Cross Token in CrossX Wallet. Kung paano ba gamitin yung Cross Ramp for assemble and disassemble ng Shields Crystals and Shields X token. And finally, we're gonna use the both tokens in Shield Shop for Pet Salmon Ticket Gacha. So make sure to watch until the end to see what rewards I get. So let's get started. So first off na ituturo ko sa inyo is paano bumili ng Shields Crystal step by step. So first off, head over to x.crosstoken.io sa web. Then make sure to connect a wallet na makikita nyo sa upper right. Then click nyo lang siya and lalabas is either mag-login ka using Google or Apple. So as for me, I use my Google account. Then just sign in using what email you've used. And also make sure na na-download mo na rin yung CrossX wallet sa extension. So hanapin mo lang dito yung CLM on Cross sa lower right on games. So click lang natin siya, makikita agad natin yung Shields X. So click lang uli natin siya. So nagkaroon kasi ng changes sa x.crosstoken.io, nagbago siya ng UI. Ito na yung pinaka-latest nilang itsura. So makikita natin yung price sa upper right. So currently $0.01 kada presyo ng isang Shields X. So bibilan natin, ang kailangan natin is 1,000 kasi yung conversion ng Shields X to Shields Crystal is 1:1. So magpapalit tayo ng 160 cross into 1,060 Shields X. So yung presyo nito is depende sa economy ng both tokens. So let's start swapping now and then skip signature natin. And then mag-e-enter ka lang ng PIN ng wallet mo. So after swapping sa DEX, saan mo ba makikita yung token na pinapalit mo? So punta ka lang sa CrossX wallet mo and then boom, makikita mo agad siya doon. So nakapag-swap na tayo ng Cross to Shields X. So ano ba yung next step? Ngayon pupunta naman tayo sa Cross Ramp. So to access Cross Ramp, you can just type ramp.crosstoken.io/exchange/ft sa web, or kapag segurista ka, punta ka in game, then click menu and hanapin mo lang yung Cross Ramp or click F7 para sure na hindi ka mapupunta sa iba or scam site. So after mo mapunta sa site, just connect your CrossX wallet again. You can either sign in using QR from your phone, pero in my case, may extension naman ako, kaya I'll go for it. Then connect wallet. So after that, you can either choose assemble or disassemble dito. So ano ba yung pinagkaiba nila? For assemble, pwede mong ipapalit yung kinita mo in-game na Shields Crystals into Shields X that you can trade in the DEX. And siguro napansin nyo rin yung fee na 50%. Nagkaroon kasi ng fee adjustment nung June 9. So according to the devs, bakit ganyang kalaki yung fees is for a sustainable growth of the cross ecosystem and a balanced distribution of costs and benefits. Then dumako naman tayo sa disassemble, which is the one we will be using. So dito naman is ine-exchange niya yung Shield X token mo into Shields Crystals na pwede mong gamitin in-game. And I've said before, yung ratio ng palitan niya is 1:1. So 1 Shields X token is equivalent to 1 Shields Crystals and vice versa. So yon, start na natin siyang i-disassemble, then click lang natin yung max and disassemble. So manghihingi siya ng signature before burning it. So confirm lang natin siya. Enter PIN again. So yon, tokens burn successfully. So makikita na natin siya in-game and let's spend it now. So nasa in-game na siya with my newly created account. So to spend this, punta ka lang sa shop or click F10. Then punta ka lang uli ng support product sa right side and find Shield Crystals on the left. So yung bala ko talaga paggamitan nito is yung Pet Special Salmon Ticket times 100 na gacha para mabilis lumakas yung pets ko. So click lang natin siya para mabili natin siya. Then bili tayo ng isa. So yon, pwede na natin siyang makita sa email natin. Punta lang ako ng email, claim lang natin siya, and mail reward acquired. So hindi na natin papatagalin, magpupul agad tayo ng mga gachas. So punta lang tayo dito sa Salmon and Special Salmon Tickets. Times 10 agad natin guys, and let's hope for the best. So right now, maganda na pull natin, times 2 for the first try guys. So 2 legendary pulls is not bad for the first Salmon. Then, ang goal kasi natin dito is makakuha ng mythic as much as possible na kumikinang din. So, second try is malas. Then, third try is malas again. Then, 3 on the fourth try. On the fifth try, wala pa rin tayo nakukuhang mythic and walang bagay sa atin doon. Then, 6, 7 try, 8 try. So, yun, medyo malas tayo sa pool natin, guys. Napakamalas naman pero kasama sa buhay yan dahil gacha to. So if you learned something from this video, leave a like and subscribe for more SEAL-M on Cross content. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.